April is Testicular Cancer Awareness Month, and Movember, the leading charity changing the face of men's health, is urging men to get hands-on with their health through its annual Know Thy Nuts campaign. Here with more is Atiqa Mohammad, the Implementation Director of Cancer Programs at Movember Canada. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's talk about the Know Thy Nuts campaign. What's it all about?
Yeah, absolutely. So as you mentioned, April is Testicular Cancer Awareness Month, and it's really about bringing awareness to the most common cancer among young men ages 15 to 40. And at Movember, we're really focused on ensuring that men know that it's a highly curable cancer if detected early. And a lot of men don't know that, or they don't feel comfortable checking themselves. And that's why this campaign is so important. So Know Thy Nuts is a guide from Movember. You can find it on Movember.com. And it helps men to get comfortable with checking themselves and understand what their normal is, and also encouraging them to get help if something changes.
How prevalent is testicular cancer among young men?
So it's rare overall, but it is the most common cancer among young men ages 15 to 40.
All right. So how does the test work? What should we be doing? How do we implement this Know Thy Nuts campaign for ourselves?
Yeah, absolutely. So the guide has a three-step process. Steam, roll, repeat. And so you take a hot shower, and you check one side, so you roll your fingers, just making sure that you understand what's normal for your body, and then repeat that on the other side. And the key here is you're not trying to self-diagnose. You're just checking to see what's your normal and to see if anything changes when you check later on.
Okay. So how soon should we be checking in terms of age, like in our 20s and our 30s?
Yeah, as early as 15, because it is the most common cancer between 15 and 40. I just spoke to someone recently who was diagnosed with testicular cancer at 14.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And how often should we do it? Once a month? Quarterly?
I would do it, as often as you want. At least, every few months. It's just understanding, like, when something changes in your body and being able to notice that early enough so that you can go get it checked out sooner.
Yeah, if you're checking it often, when something abnormal pops up, you're thinking, okay, now we got to get checked out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why do you think awareness is so low among men?
Yeah, so, stigma plays a role, but it goes beyond stigma. It's about comfort, right? These aren't conversations you organically have with your peers or even your parents. I mean, they're talking to you about your grades and bullying. They're not thinking about, oh, I need to talk to my 15-year-old about cancer. I certainly didn't talk about cancer or think about cancer at that age. So there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of uncertainty around that. And also with men, they don't want to overreact, or they think, okay, let's just ignore it. We know that 1 in 4 men won't even go to a doctor unless they're in extreme pain. And it's also about, like, the health ecosystem overall, right? How it's designed for men to feel comfortable seeking help.
We have 1 minute to go. What are the warning signs, if any, and what should men do if they find something abnormal?
Sometimes there aren't any symptoms or even pain, but that's why it's so important to understand what your normal is. So you could find a lump or swelling, there could be some pain, or it could just feel different than it has in the past, and that's when you would go and speak to your doctor. Okay.
Good tips. Again, the stages are...
Steam, roll, and repeat. Yes.
Steam, roll, and repeat.
Steam, roll, and repeat.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. More links on our website, chch.com/morninglive.